clubs, taverns, in many events, Maskandi artists are there performing. They are sending out the message. Therefore, they are very influential towards people. Then obviously, if they pass such message that speaks about gender-based violence and other issues that are related to social ills, obviously Maskandi will make a very big influence in solving the issues that are happening in our society.
Yeah, it certainly make a huge impact indeed. I quite agree with you that looking at the reach and the number of supporters that Maskandi music enjoys. So what do you think should be done to preserve it?
I can't get the question.
What do you think should be done to preserve Maskandi music?
I believe it's mainly the recognition and the support from the public that need to be there in order to ensure that we remain above and we remain as Maskandi music in the eye of the public, and we remain influential to people. Because if we don't get the support from the public, if we don't get the support from government departments and other institutions in our society, it becomes very difficult for us to fight and also to deal with the social ills that are out there, including the gender-based violence and also all this albinism thing. So if we only get the support that we always appeal for from